You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this Spanish opera singer, soprano. She was originally from Barcelona, so Catalan rather than Spanish. Her name is Catalan. Montserrat, that's how you say it in Catalan. Montserrat Caballé. Montserrat Caballé. So in English you can say it as Montserrat, it's pretty straightforward. Caballé, just replace the double L with a Y. Montserrat Caballé. Spanish pronunciation would be quite similar, Montserrat Caballé. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.